Welcome to Flatspot, and today we've got an unboxing video for you of the highly anticipated Ishod Wair signature shoe from Nike SB, minimally named Ishod. This is the first signature shoe from Ishod following the hugely successful Nike SB Dunk Low Pro colorway series that dropped in 2016, 3 years after he won Thrasher Skate of the Year. Ishod's first Pro model launches in a light olive and black colorway. The first thing that will catch your eye is the rubber breathable mesh overlay panel on the sidewall of the shoe. The rubber overlays are added for extra flexibility, allowing the shoe to feel like they are already broken in. The mesh also features on the bottom part of the tongue, adding extra breathability and comfort. On lateral, we have a functional molded ollie patch similar to the Nike Dunk Low. These, however, have been extended further back, allowing for extra wear and durability. A recessed 6-eyelet lacing system and molded rubber top eyelets also adds to the durability and structure of the shoe. The shoes feature a new inner lacing system, which helps secure your foot into the Nike React footbed, simultaneously protecting your laces and keeping the Ishod embroidered padded tongue in place across the natural arch of the foot. The padded tongue is constructed of black mesh, with black tonal swoosh, finished with a bright red Ishod hit. The toe box is a single-piece construction, allowing for a more durable and long-lasting shoe. Perforations offer a subtle reference to Wair's iconic Nike SB Dunk legacy, accompanied with a contrasting bright red embroidered miniature swoosh. At the heel, the shoe is signed off with a large screen-printed black reverse swoosh across both exterior and interior-facing rear quarters, rounding off the reverse of the shoe with a bright red Nike SB mini heel brace. A grippy underfoot tread keeps the profile's court-to-concrete narrative in mind, whilst the supportive double-layer overlays across the forefoot and heel provide ample protection to suit. The skate-specific herringbone pattern on the sole allows for maximum grip where you need it, and Nike SB have used their patented Nike React foam technology for the drop-in insole to increase stability, board feel, responsiveness, and energy return. Potentially confusing at first glance, the Ishod is a vulcanized shoe but built like a cupsole. Ishod himself says he prefers a vulcanized shoe for transition skating for better flick and board feel, but a cupsole for street, giving better impact protection. This principle is illustrated and brought to life in the Ishod. Airing performative function with creative flair, the Nike SB Ishod is a true reflection of the skater's imaginative influence and appreciation for old-school courtside culture. Accompanying the signature silhouette for 2022 is a capsule. Nike SB Clothing have released a signature pant and Stormfit jacket, which can be found online now at the Flatspot website. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos, and we'll see you in the next one.